Alright, 2006 Buick. Let's call this car Lucerne. Alright. So 2006 Buick Lucerne. How to reset the oil life. Okay. So for that, we're gonna use these guys right here. Now we're gonna do it with the car running, okay? The car running. Okay. So you probably see your car like that. Just press this one where the car and the eye is right here. Okay, just press that until you see this one right here. Now what you're gonna do is press the check and hold it, and that's it. Then let it go. 99% oil life. This is how you reset the 2006 Buick Lucerne. Alright, this is how you reset the oil life. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.